Welcome. If you want to add an account to Google Play Store in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, at the first you have to open Play Store, then tap on this icon in the right upper corner, then we have to click to add another account. And right now we have to input our data, so at the first we have to input our email. And next, when we click next, we have to input our password, so let me do this right now. So if you input your password, you have to click next, and after that we got here another window that we have to agree. You know this, the Google terms of the service. I'm not going to save this password. And then we have to tap right here, and as you can see, our account was added. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.